Navigating motorcycle accident claims. Tips for lawyers dealing with insurers. Motorcycle accidents can give rise to intricate legal scenarios, necessitating lawyers to adeptly traverse the complexities. Lawyers handling these cases must possess a comprehensive strategy to ensure equitable compensation and justice for their clients. Understanding motorcycle accident claims. The unique nature of motorcycle accidents. Motorcycle accidents differ significantly from other vehicular mishaps due to the heightened vulnerability of riders and the distinctive dynamics inherent to these accidents. Unlike occupants of enclosed vehicles, motorcyclists lack the protective barrier of a car, making them more susceptible to severe injuries. As a Denver motorcycle accident lawyer, comprehending these unique aspects is paramount for constructing a robust case. Common causes of motorcycle accidents. The causes of motorcycle accidents are multifaceted, ranging from negligent driving behaviors to unfavorable road conditions. Distracted driving, where motorists are engrossed in their phones or other distractions, poses a significant threat to motorcyclists. Moreover, recklessness, such as speeding or weaving through traffic, can lead to devastating consequences. Inadequate road maintenance or poor weather conditions also contribute to accidents. Initial steps after an accident. Ensuring client safety and medical attention. After a motorcycle accident, the first priority is the well-being of the client. Lawyers should advise their clients to seek medical attention, even if injuries seem minor initially. Not only does this safeguard the client's health, but it also creates a documented record of injuries, crucial for building a strong case later. Gathering evidence and documenting the scene. The preservation of evidence is pivotal in motorcycle accident claims. Lawyers should guide their clients to gather as much evidence as possible from the accident scene. This includes photographs of the crash site, vehicle damage, skid marks, and any relevant road conditions. Navigating communication with insurance companies. Lawyers should advise their clients to inform their insurer about the accident promptly, but exercise caution with recorded statements. These statements can potentially be used against the client later. Lawyers should oversee all communication to ensure that their clients' rights are protected. Dealing with insurers, do's and don'ts. Prompt notification to the insurance company. Timely communication with the insurance company is paramount. However, lawyers should guide their clients to avoid admitting fault or providing excessive details in their initial communication. The goal is to inform without compromising the client's position. Avoiding recorded statements without legal counsel. Insurance adjusters often request recorded statements from claimants. Lawyers should strongly advise their clients against giving such statements without proper legal counsel present. Adjusters may use these statements to twist the client's words or downplay the extent of injuries. Evaluating settlement offers thoroughly. Insurance companies might make early settlement offers to resolve the claim swiftly. While this can be tempting, lawyers should meticulously review these offers to ensure they adequately compensate for medical expenses, property damage, lost wages, and pain and suffering. If the offer falls short, further negotiations may be necessary. Establishing liability and damages. Proving negligence of other parties. Establishing liability is at the crux of motorcycle accident claims. Lawyers need to demonstrate that the negligence of another party, such as a distracted driver or a municipality responsible for road maintenance, directly contributed to the accident. This often involves a comprehensive investigation, including gathering evidence, interviewing witnesses, and collaborating with accident reconstruction experts. Assessing injuries and property damage. Accurate evaluation of injuries and property damage is essential for determining the extent of compensation the client deserves. Lawyers should work alongside medical professionals to assess both the immediate and long-term impact of injuries. This includes not only physical injuries but also the emotional toll and potential future medical expenses. Consulting expert witnesses. In complex cases, leveraging the expertise of accident reconstructionists, medical professionals, and economists can significantly bolster the case. These expert witnesses provide unbiased assessments of the accident, injuries, and financial implications, lending credibility to the lawyer's arguments.